Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a really tasty little item to keep in your pantry for a cold day, I want to show you this Progresso gluten-free home-style chicken noodle soup. So I love this soup because it is very convenient and it's really quick to heat up and have a delicious bowl whenever you want it. I also love that it's gluten-free, so it can be difficult to find a gluten-free noodle soup. So this is really nice that there is the option for that as well. So it has a really nice tasty broth and it has really big hearty noodles. So I really like them and they have a nice texture. And so it makes for a really nice, quick, easy meal. So it is ready to eat. All you have to do is heat it up and you are good to go. So if you are looking for something really warm and tasty to keep in the pantry for a cold day, or maybe if you're not feeling well, this is an amazing option, and that is my point of view.